Hello, my name is Elena Mechik. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Inhubber. And in this video, I will show you how to create documents within Inhubber, how to invite for e-signature, how to set up reminders, and work with tasks. So let's begin. So as you remember, you can create any structure, any workspaces you wish. And let's say I do want to create a master service agreement. So I decide to place it here within this folder, click on create document, and can already decide which document type I would like to create. So we can set it up and you can have as many documents you wish, which would differ in the metadata, custom fields, in the processes, which can be connected to this specific document types. You can even create workflows behind the scenes, like uh, approval workflows, like signature workflows, depending on the type of document you would choose. You click on create, and you have an sheet with different information which can be included within. Depending on the type you have chosen, you would have different custom fields here. A custom field is with a red star means it's a obligatory field. It does have to be filled out. And once I fill it out, I can click and create an event for this field. Like say it's a cancellation option. It is a repeatable event because it does happen every year on November 30th. I decide who are the recipients. Is it just me or maybe few people who should be informed? And when the reminder should be sent out. Let's say 1 month in advance, check or cancel the contract. I even can create more reminders, let's say 2 months in advance, 2 weeks in advance, etc. And it's all kind of hidden within this very intuitive overview. You can decide if it's a repeatable event, you can decide who are the recipients, and you can decide how many and when reminders should be sent to you. Click on create, and you already see all these events here in this section. As mentioned, they will be sent out over email to all the participants. But if you wish, you can also add it to your calendar, Google, Outlook, any other calendar actually you would like to use. And by doing so, your calendar is opening automatically with this entry. And even if you would add more recipients here, all of them would receive also a calendar reminder inside their calendar. Of course, I can add any more events I wish. The same procedure. The difference is just that the first reminder we just created was generated through this field. We do have AI capabilities. So once you upload documents, all this information can be extracted. But for that, you will have another video, an additional video, how AI is working. So here on the top, you can add files. You can drag and drop from wherever you have your contracts on, and so yeah, I drag and drop a document, and I can already decide if I want to send it out for e-signature or if I just want to store it, or maybe it's some document which isn't a contract even. So I would add this as an other related file to this structure. So let's say e-signature, I click on add. And because I decided to sign a contract, I do need to decide also whom to invite for signature. I can also invite viewers. This would be people who would be informed regarding the signature process, but wouldn't have to sign themselves. I also see all participants I would have invited here on the right, signer. So I decide I do have to sign myself. So again, I do need to fill out the required information here. I see it based on this red star, test limited, start date, if I wish to add it, contract value, and contract type. Okay, so now I click on create, and in this moment, all people I would have invited for signature would receive an email notification. And how does signature process work? So I click on sign document. I agree that I have read and understood everything and click on sign. So now the document has been signed. I see the status has changed to signed